In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs. Let's start from the ClickUp Home area. On the left side of your workspace, you'll see the main navigation. From there, open the More menu. This expands a set of additional tools you might not use every day, and among them is Docs. Click Docs to open the dedicated space where all your documents live. Inside Docs, you'll see options to create something new or bring in content from elsewhere. We're going to focus on New Doc. Clicking New Doc gives you a fresh blank canvas with a title field at the top and the body area below. While importing is great for migrating existing notes or wikis, starting fresh helps you learn the core features. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive title. A helpful tip is to use a simple naming convention, like project name plus purpose, so your team can instantly recognize what the doc is about and find it later. Titles also show up in search, so a good title pays off. Next, type your main content in the body. Think of this as your living source of truth: meeting notes, project briefs, how-to guides, or planning outlines. Keep paragraphs short and scannable and use headings to create structure. If you want quick formatting, highlight text to reveal options like bold, italics, and headings, or use familiar shortcuts to speed things up. When your content is ready to share, click Share at the top. This opens your sharing panel where you can choose who can view or edit. You might keep it private to your workspace, invite specific teammates for collaboration, or generate a link if you need to share more broadly. Always double-check permissions before sending the link, especially for external viewers. To enhance your document further, look for the plus sign or use the Insert menu to customize your layout. This is where ClickUp Docs really shines. You can add interactive elements like checklists to track tasks, columns to create side-by-side comparisons, and buttons to point readers to key actions or related pages. You can also include items like tables, callouts, or dividers to make the content easier to digest. If you're building a guide or playbook, mix checklists with headings and callouts to make instructions clear and actionable. That's it. You've navigated to Docs, created a new document, added a clear title and body content, shared it with the right people, and customized it to fit your needs. With these fundamentals, you can create clean, collaborative documents that your team will actually use.